Hey everyone, Michelle here. Today you will be getting in 100 squats plus more exercises to really get those glutes in shape. If you can't join us right now, make sure to save this video to your watch later list and join us when you can. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and download our Yoga Plus app. First, before we even get to the exercises, what I want is just to warm up our legs. So I want you to take one leg, cross it over your body, put your elbow to your knee and press down and really give your glute a nice stretch. All practicing deep breaths in and out while we are doing this. Really press into that knee. Get the greatest stretch that you possibly can. Hold it for a little more. Deep breaths in and out. And so we're going to switch legs. So bring that opposite leg over. Push in with your elbow and really feel a great stretch all up in here. Let your body get ready for this glute challenge. Hang in there for a little longer, a few more seconds. Deep breaths in and out. About 5 more seconds. Really push into that knee and relax. And the next thing I want you to do is really just stretch. So sit in like a butterfly position. Try to get those knees to the floor. I certainly cannot get my knees to the floor, but feel a nice stretch all up in that inner thigh. Deep breaths in and out. We're holding this for a little bit longer and then we will begin our workout. Deep breaths in and out. Hang in there a little longer, about 5 more seconds. And rest. And I'm gonna have you guys stand up because we are gonna get ready for our squats. Remember, we will complete 100 squats within this workout. We're gonna start with 20 pulse squats. So what I want you to do, if you have like bad knees or knee injuries, make sure we take a wider stance and you're keeping your toes out. For everyone else, you can keep your stance like parallel with your shoulders. I just prefer a wider stance naturally. So for pulse squats, we're just going to come up and down and we're going to do 20 of them and then we will get down to the floor to the next exercise. So our pulse squats are going to begin now. We're halfway there. 15, 20. All right, come down, and what we are going to do is we are going to do a minute of clamp. So we're going to keep our feet together and we are just going to move at the knees. So we're going to bring our knee all the way up as far as you can. Keep that core tight. Deep breaths in and out. Nice, slow and control. Really feel that squeeze. You guys are doing great. 30 seconds left. We are going to do the other side later on in the workout, so don't worry. Deep breaths in and out. Really squeeze, feel it in the glutes. We got 5 more seconds. All right, I'm gonna have you guys come all the way back up, back into our pulse squats. 5, 10, halfway there. Really drive through those heels. 15, 5 more. 20. Back down on the floor, and we are going to do our glute bridge. So keep that core tight. Single leg 1, 30 seconds on this leg, 30 seconds on the other. Really drive through these heels. Keep that core tight. You guys are doing great. Deep breaths in and out. 10 more seconds on this leg. Keep working and switch. Really feel it in your glutes by driving through those heels. Core tight. Deep breaths. Let your hands lay wherever they feel comfortable. Almost there, 10 seconds. You guys doing great. Deep breaths in and out and rest. All right, and we're gonna come back up and over to our pulse squats. All right, give yourself just a little break to get head into our 20 full squats. Deep breaths in and begin. 5, 10, halfway there. 15, 20. All right, so now we're gonna go back down on the ground. Remember how we did clams on this side? Well, now we're gonna do it the opposite side. So just remember what side you did last time. As we come down, feet together and knees. Deep breaths in and out. Really squeeze. Keep that core tight. You guys are doing great. Deep breaths in and out. Squeeze. Halfway there. 20 seconds. You guys got this. Deep breaths in and out. Keep working. Don't give up. 10 seconds, and then we're heading straight up to our pulse squats. And rest. Back all the way up. Straight into our squats. 5, 10, halfway there. Drive through those heels. 15 and 20. All right, back down for our single leg glute bridge. Same thing. 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other. Drive through those heels. Keep that core tight. You guys got this. Hang in there with me, don't quit. Got 8 seconds. And switch. Deep breaths in and out. Really drive through those heels. You guys are doing great. Deep breaths in and out. This is your last round of glute bridges. And rest. And we're gonna head straight back up for our last round of 20 pulse squats. All right, and go. 5, 10, halfway there. 15, 5 more. 20. All right, so I'm gonna have us come right back down. We're gonna stretch. So I want you to kind of just sit back. Give those inner thighs a nice stretch if you can. If you want to, sit on your feet and really reach forward. Deep breath in and out. You guys did great. Last stretch. I'm gonna have you guys come down, and what I want is just to give yourself a nice hug. Stretch those legs. Deep breath in and out. Let that heart rate come down. Hang in there for a few more seconds. If you want to take time in this position, more time in this position, feel free. Remember, have us drop our knees, slowly sit up, cross our legs, take one more deep breath in and out. I want to thank you so much for joining, and I can't wait to see you next time. For more tips and tricks, make sure to follow me on Instagram, MichellePaulson_.